Understanding. Let's take our time. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that can be a bit confusing for learners. Let's take our time. Stick around as we break it down, so you can start using it confidently in your conversations. When someone says, "Let's take our time," they're suggesting that they want to proceed with a task or activity without rushing. It means giving yourselves enough space and time to complete something carefully and thoroughly, rather than trying to finish it as quickly as possible. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from completing work projects to making decisions or even enjoying a meal. To understand how versatile this phrase is, let's look at some examples. In work, this project is important, so let's take our time to ensure everything is perfect. In decision-making, buying a house is a big commitment. Let's take our time to find the right one. In relationships, we're both new to this. Let's take our time and see where things go. In leisure, it's a beautiful day. Let's take our time walking through the park. Taking your time can lead to better outcomes and less stress. Rushing through tasks can lead to mistakes or oversights, while taking your time allows for more thorough work and thoughtful decisions. It's also a way to enjoy experiences more fully without the pressure of haste. "Let's take our time" is more than just a phrase. It's a mindset that encourages thoughtfulness, care, and patience. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, learning a new language is a journey, so let's take our time with it. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.